Dating apps, endless swipes, ghosting, and confusion. Modern dating feels like chaos. But what if the secret to finding the right woman in the digital age isn't chasing harder, but thinking differently? What if ancient Stoic philosophy holds the answer? Stoicism, at its core, teaches control, not of others, but of yourself. And when it comes to digital dating, self-mastery is everything. The first Stoic principle is focus only on what you can control. You can't control who swipes on you. You can't control if she texts back. But you can control your profile, your words, your energy. When you stop obsessing over the outcome, you stop acting desperate, and women are drawn to calm confidence. The second Stoic principle is virtue above vanity. Modern dating is full of surface-level games, fake photos, shallow conversations, ego-driven matches. But the right woman isn't just looking at your looks. She's searching for character, honesty, strength, and direction. Show her that, and you'll stand out in a sea of empty profiles. The third Stoic lesson is indifference to rejection. Stoics call it apatheia, freedom from being controlled by emotions. In dating, rejection is not a failure. It's redirection. Each swipe left, each unmatched conversation, is just part of filtering until you find someone aligned with your values. The right woman won't pass you by. Finally, Stoicism reminds us, the good life is lived with reason, not impulse. In digital dating, this means don't chase instant gratification. Don't settle for attention, validation, or temporary flings. Slow down. Seek alignment. Ask, does this woman share my vision, my values, my depth? That's how you avoid heartbreak disguised as chemistry. The right woman isn't found by playing games, chasing endlessly, or bending yourself to fit in. She's found when you master yourself, live with virtue, and let your actions speak louder than your desires. So yes, even in the noisy world of dating apps, Stoicism can cut through the noise. Control what you can. Let go of what you can't. And the right woman will be drawn not to your profile, but to the strength of your character.